Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apple Watch Series 9 to your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS. Next, charge both devices to at least 50% to prevent interruptions. Crucially, enable both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Finally, keep your Apple Watch and iPhone within a few inches of each other to ensure a smooth and quick connection process. Now, let's begin the pairing. Power on your Apple Watch by holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. On your iPhone, open the dedicated Apple Watch application. You'll see a Start Pairing option on both screens. Tap it. Then, use your iPhone's camera to scan the unique animated pattern displayed on your Apple Watch. This initiates the secure connection between your two devices. After successful pairing, you'll customize your watch. You can set it up as a brand new device or restore from an existing backup. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions. You'll then sign in with your Apple ID to enable features like Apple Pay and the App Store. Create a secure passcode for your watch. Finally, personalize settings such as text size, activity tracking, and Siri preferences to suit your daily needs. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try restarting both your iPhone and Apple Watch. This often resolves minor glitches. Make sure no other Apple Watches are in pairing mode nearby, which could cause interference. Always check for any pending software updates on both devices. If problems persist, consider resetting your Apple Watch to its factory settings and trying again. A stable Wi-Fi connection is also key for a smooth setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.